to expand, it's not so challenging. You just need to act faster. How to grow your business after COVID? It's very interesting. It's very interesting because it's not so hard. And it's not so hard because most of business people, they are too suppressed by this situation. Most of business people, they try to somehow to adjust, they try to survive, and they don't even think about an expansion. They don't even think about how to use the situation, COVID situation, after COVID situation, to grow their business. Most of business people, they don't have resources, and a big percentage of businesses, they don't survive during this situation. So to expand, it's not so challenging. You just need to act faster, because I don't know, have you been on this page when at one moment in your life you just found out that something works for your business, some way of promotion, some new service or something like this, and right at the moment when you realize that it works, the next thing comes to your mind, next idea. Oh my God, I wanted to try it like 2 years ago. I wanted to try it last year, previous year, something like this. And you understand that you wasted some time. You really lost some time, maybe 1 or 2 years, maybe months. So I just want to tell you one thing. Usually, as a business owner, we don't make big mistakes. We're pretty smart. And only one mistake we really make is we are too slow, because we are too distracted by some everyday circumstances. And we don't really fulfill our amazing, beautiful, strong ideas. So the main thing, the main secret, how to use the situation after COVID situation, just try to fulfill your bright, beautiful ideas faster. Do it faster. Don't try to somehow to slow, because you just take this point of view. You can do everything few folds faster. It's absolutely real if you really want. But the problem is, in normal circumstances, we adjust to some particular speed. I have 2 meetings per day, and to have 2 meetings per day, it's okay, it's great. Or usually I spend 8 hours in my office every day and I work hard. And we send 1,000 letters for our prospects and customers every week, and it's huge. And it was working for years for us. And this is why the truth is we have this habit. We have this habit in our mind, like there is some certain level of activity. And you see, it's very different for different people and different companies. But everyone has some sort of normal level in our mind. So my advice for you, just throw it away. Because this after COVID normal level is like 5 times higher than our pre-COVID level. And just try to get this idea. Just try to look at your activity of your team, and try to ask yourself, how can I raise my activity 5-fold? Maybe you don't need to have these 2 meetings, live meetings. Maybe instead of that, you can have 10, 15 minutes online meetings. Of course, you need to find a way, because you cannot work 40 hours per day. It doesn't work this way. And this is why we need to become smarter now. But in general, idea is pretty simple. We have to accept another normal level, which is much, much higher above our previous one. This is the secret. And this is how I work now. I'm 5 times more active on social media. I'm 5 times more active when it comes to new services and new product. I'm 5 times more active as a business owner, as a manager of my company. And I suggest you to follow my lead.